Are you looking for a property in West Delhi? How about a 2 BHK within rupees 30 lakh? Don't be surprised. Magic Bricks data shows that Uttam Nagar, which is surrounded by affluent localities like Punjabi Bagh, Paschim Vihar, Vikaspuri and Narayana, where property prices often exceed over a crore. This locality is for people who want houses which are not exorbitantly priced. Hi, I'm Neha Nagpal. Welcome to this locality DAT project. Today I'll be reviewing Uttam Nagar in West Delhi. As per Magic Bricks data, Uttam Nagar is one of the booming localities that has witnessed reality traction over the last few years. Home buyers' focus has shifted to Uttam Nagar primarily because of the affordable property options and strong metro connectivity. In this episode, I will unfold that what kind of properties are available here, its connectivity with other parts of Delhi through different mode of transportation, the social and physical infrastructure this locality offers, and an analysis of the residential property market here that can help you make an informed choice in keeping with your lifestyle and preferences. Uttam Nagar is divided into east and west parts. The locality is bounded by the established residential localities of Janakpuri and Vikaspuri in the east and the areas of Sevak Park and Bhagwati Garden in the west. Localities such as Tilak Nagar, Dwarka, Najafgarh, Nangaloi, Paschim Vihar, Rajouri Garden and Punjabi Bagh are located within 5 to 12 kilometers of the distance. The area also has easy accessibility to the outer ring road which runs parallel to the Vikaspuri Flyover. This flyover enhances the connectivity with Vikaspuri, Paschim Vihar, Punjabi Bagh, Nangloi and Rohini. The Najafgarh Road is intersected by the outer ring road at Janakpuri and inner ring road at Tagore Garden. To the east, it connects to Pankha Road to Jail Road which links west to South Delhi. Locality has 3 metro stations on the blue line of Delhi Metro, namely Uttam Nagar East, Uttam Nagar West and Nawada. With this, the area enjoys easy reach to Gurugram, Dwarka, Noida and Ghaziabad. Indira Gandhi International Airport is 17 kilometers away from the locality and can be reached in 40 minutes. New Delhi Railway Station is located at a distance of 21 kilometers and Sarai Rohilla Railway Station at a distance of 15 kilometers. The airport and New Delhi Railway Station are also easily accessible via the Airport Metro Express that is accessible from Dwarka Sector 21. Uttam Nagar offers connectivity of DTC bus services which covers many parts of Delhi. Cabs and autos are also easily available. Uttam Nagar with adjoining areas of Janakpuri and Vikaspuri has ample social infrastructure in the form of educational institutions, healthcare centers, multiplexes, banks, shopping arcades and eateries. Schools and colleges like Gagan Bharti Public School, DPS Dwarka, Deen Dayal Upadhyay College and Bharti College are located within 5 to 7 kilometers. Hospitals in and around the locality are Mahendru, Mata Roop Rani Mago, Mata Chanan Devi and Akash Healthcare Super Speciality Hospital. Uttam Nagar shares proximity with well-established malls and shopping centers such as Unity One Mall, Janakpuri District Centre and Pacific Mall. People living here complain about safety and security in the locality. Majority of families here are middle class and low middle class families. These include government employees and small businessmen. You'll also find migrating population looking for PGs and accommodation on rent here. Majorly horizontal development comprising builder floor apartments and small gated communities dominate the market of Uttam Nagar. Magic Bricks data shows that the supply of builder floor apartment is at 86%, while for multi-story it's at 14%. You will majorly find 2 BHK in this locality. The supply of 2 BHK stands at 53%. For 3 BHK it's at 34% and for 1 BHK it's at 12%. 1 BHK in the locality available in the sizes of 360 square feet to 500 square feet. The price starts from 12 lakh and goes up to 25 lakhs. A 2 BHK is available in the sizes of 450 square feet to 750 square feet. It is available in the price range of 15 lakh to 30 lakhs. and a 3 BHK of sizes between 700 square feet to 1100 square feet. The price starts from 27 lakh and goes up to 55 lakhs. The search results on Magic Bricks shows that the consumer here mostly prefer a 2 BHK option. The demand of 2 BHK stands at 59%, for 3 BHK it's at 28%. Those who are looking for a rented accommodation can find a property here within the rent of Rs 8,500 to 14,000 monthly. While Uttam Nagar falls under the purview of Municipal Corporation of Delhi, only a few residential sectors in the locality are corporation approved. Therefore, in certain areas, property transaction takes place through general power of attorney. Let's do a quick wrap up. Uttam Nagar offers robust connectivity network via road and Blue Line metro corridor. It has seamless social and physical infrastructure, offer hordes of affordable choices that can fit in your budget, proximity to affluent and well-established areas, easily accessible to job hubs. But there are two things to keep in mind. Safety and security of the area is a concern, and you must do due diligence before investing in a property in Uttam Nagar. I hope you like this review on Uttam Nagar. If you have any query, you can write to me on my Twitter. My Twitter handle is @NehaNagpal. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. You can send in your queries in the comment section below this video as well. With cameraman Manish Sharma, this is Neha Nagpal signing off. Please subscribe to Magic Bricks on YouTube and press the bell icon to get new videos.